Hey guys, let's talk about this laser level that you can get on Amazon. As you can see here, works pretty fine. I have here the laser so I can level and use for hang things on the wall, for example. I've been using this to hang some pictures on the wall and it works pretty fine. Let me show how it works. So basically here you have the laser that's working right there. There's a button here that you can turn on and turn off. And there's the bubble just right here, the 45 degrees one, the horizontal and the vertical bubble. And here you have a way that you can measure stuff like in inches and here in centimeters, okay? So you can just measure stuff like this and also use the tape that's inside here, okay? So you have a measuring tape. There we go. You just press here and there we go, right? So it works pretty fine. This one goes to 250 centimeters. So it's pretty long. So see the details here. And in this button, you just press and you have your laser there, okay? And it works in different ways. If you just come here, you can change the way it works by moving this up or down. So if we go up, you're gonna see that's different now. Let me just turn it on again. There we go. It's horizontal now. Let me just turn it off again. And now I'm going here in the lower position here. And then here, now you have in the vertical, right? And then in the center, you just have the one that was showing before, which is both of them, right? Let me just put it here in the center. It's a little bit harder to find the center here because it goes down or up. But there we go. I think I got the center here now. Let's see it. There we go. Okay, works pretty fine. So as I was saying, I just use it to hang some pictures on the wall. So I'm gonna show you how it works, how I did it, right? Okay guys, so here's an example how to use this device. So it's basically here on my tripod and I just checked the levels here and I have the laser light there on my wall and I'm gonna hang on the picture that I have here. So I have it pretty much here in the center. Then I can just hang the picture right here, okay? And then I can hang the other one by its side. So it's pretty useful and pretty easy to use. There we go, guys. That's the laser level you can use to hang things on the wall or do whatever you want. And it's pretty cheap and it's pretty easy to use as well. Okay, you can get yours on Amazon. I like this one and I really recommend it.